video, I'll be showing you how to design your footer. So here you come to appearance and click on widgets. So now in this section, we are going to be working with the footers that we have here. You can see we have 4 footers by default, but in the next video I'll show you how to adjust your footer to the amount of footers that you want to use. For this tutorial purpose, we'll be working with 3 footers, so we won't be needing the 4th one. So now in this footer, what you do is you check these widgets that are here and you drag to the position you want to put them. For instance, you have your pages here. I can drag my pages and paste them here, and I can edit it whichever I like, and choose the pages. Then sort by title. Then here you can give it the title and say pages. Then you click save. Then here in the footer 2, you can put, let's see which one we can put here. Okay, we can put here navigational menu. Okay, and then you can select which of the menu. Let's use main menu, or let's use header. Then you can give it a title. Let's say main pages, and click save. Then here you can also put, then on the 3rd one, let's put let's put calendar, or let's put an image. Since we know we have some images there. You could put your logo at the background, then click add image. Select your image, then add to widget. Then you can also give it a link, so that when they click on it, it can take them to a certain link or hyperlink that you want. You can edit the image, maybe you can crop it. Okay, let's use thumbnail size. Okay, looking smaller. Okay, I think that's quite fine. Then you click update. Okay, then you click save. Whenever you do anything, always click save. Now the reason why there are not much widgets here that are available is because I have not installed most of the plugins that I gave to you in the list. But when you install those plugins, you will find out that you will have so many widgets here, like the Jetpack plugin. It enables you to have so many lists here that you can actually work with. So having not done all that, then we'll come to our page and refresh it. So that we can see how it looks like. Okay, so you can see how it looks like now. So you can see this is what you call your footer. So So in the next video, I will show you how you can actually structure this so that you won't have a section for the fourth one. So you can restrict it to 3 so that everything can be aligned properly. Then I also show you how you can change the colors and other things.